and we can better off, better off, better off. I am crooked.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now.
Hey my loves, it's your girl, lovely angel lady, L to the A to the L. Thank y'all for tuning into my channel today. Today we are doing some big curly hair. Oh yeah. So if you would like to get the deets on this big old curly girl that I am rocking, you are gonna want to sit there in your seats. All right, my loves, so today's video is on this curly hair that I have from a company called KimSlay. They are on Amazon. It's called KimSlay, K-I-M, KimSlay, KimSlay. Yes, so I'm going to get the deets right here, have it on my phone. So it just says KimSlay, short curly wigs for black women, Afro wig with bangs, synthetic, heat resistant. And this is mixed blonde, of course, as you can see. It's like a brown, like a really chocolatey brown with blonde mixed together. And I know y'all don't see me wear a whole lot of blonde. With the exception of my my own hair, which is bleach blonde, super short, so y'all see that. But like usually in wigs, I don't get a whole lot of blonde. So anyway, let's talk about this girl a little bit.
Hey love, sorry to interrupt, but if you like what you see so far, go ahead and make it official by joining the fam. It's free. Just tap the subscribe button and don't forget to tap the alert bell to make sure you get notifications for future uploads and giveaways.
So this is synthetic hair, of course. It's a full cap wig. There's one comb right here in the front, and I just kind of slipped that under my wig cap a little bit. And then in the back there are adjustable straps without a comb. Okay, as far as density, y'all already know it's a curly fro. So yes, she's pretty much full, you know, she's good and full. She's definitely curly, larger size curls. Yeah, she's more like your 3B, 3C, I guess, type curl. But yeah, very natural looking style. The more you fluff this girl out, she's gonna grow, okay? So if you don't like super big hair, that means less fluffing for you, but I love it big and fabulous. So, and then over time, I know she's gonna get bigger and bigger, but I really love the color. I really feel like the camera is not doing her justice. Like, I believe like what I actually see looks so cute. Yeah, y'all, she's like very cute. Pretty straightforward. Like, you could rock this with like a Halloween costume even, but you could wear this, you know, if you're not afraid of being bold, or you like afros and stuff like that. You can rock this diva on a daily basis. Absolutely, just like you would your natural hair, you know. So let's see what they say here. Now, you can look fabulous every day. Synthetic wigs are customers' favorites for many reasons. Everyone should own a synthetic wig. Synthetic wigs are the most affordable wigs and the easiest to care for. Synthetic wigs provide you with a variety of style and prices. All the wigs here are top quality and lowest price. KimSlay is a leading online retailer of wigs, hair pieces, hair extensions, and accessories With outstanding supply chain solution, we provide quality service for more than 3 million customers in over 30 countries. Okay, KimSlay, okay. KimSlay strictly follows up the SOP. That's the standard operation procedure to control the entire process. More than 3 million customers in over 30 countries worldwide have witnessed our specialty. So then they have cleaning instructions on how you clean the wigs and so forth. This wig does have an elastic strap, so they put that as a warning. Yeah, this is made of premium material. It's synthetic heat-resistant fiber, which I always say this. Number one, how she's constructed, it's not much you could do here if you were to like straighten her. It would look weird because this is made to go forward, and I just wouldn't try to straighten, you know, a wig like this. Because it's like, you might as well just buy a straight wig, you know what I mean? So, yeah, this is just an Afro curly wig, and it's brown and blonde mixed. As far as the cap size, it's a medium, 21.5 inches to 22 inches. My head size is a little under average, and it's good room in here. So yes, she is big head friendly for my big head chicas out there. Yeah, so yeah, y'all will be good with this one. And just like with any other style, you want to make sure that your hair is properly secured and laying flat underneath your wigs, whether you cornrow it, pull it back, however you know, decide to pull your hair back. But yeah, so that's pretty much it in terms of the deets that I need to give y'all. But as far as styling, I'll tell you just a little bit about that. I took my shears, my little handy dandy shears right here, and I had to go to town on chopping some hair, okay? I got quite a bit of hair down here. Let's see. And there's a little more, but yes, I chopped off quite a bit to kind of shape her for my face. I don't like, you know, if I'm doing a fro, I don't like it super long. I just wanted to shape it, you know, for my face. So you have to just really style this chica and make her your own. You know, what I rock her like this, I prefer a little bit more hair to the side. Some of you love rocking it, you know, over your forehead and in your face, but sis, makeup is on point today. I'm not trying to cover this makeup, so. And then I usually just prefer to be able to see just a little bit, so I just kind of pulled mine over to the side. And this just tends to be a fade for me when I'm rocking big hair. I like to kind of have some going over to the side a little bit. Like, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all, it's not heavy, it's very lightweight, nice and full. The more you fluff her, the bigger she's gonna get. You probably will want to shape it. Just take your shears or scissors and cut. I prefer, you know, to use shears, but it doesn't matter as long as you have something to cut. Shears just cut better, like they have a sharper cut. And they're lighter weight than scissors for my hands, especially having MG. So anyway, y'all, I hope that y'all found this video helpful. If you are looking for a natural looking protective style for your hair for the summer months, then she's definitely a good one to try. Wigs like this, you know, depends on how much you fluff them and stuff like that, and how much you wear them. Like if you wear them on an everyday basis and things like that, you're gonna experience definitely some tangling right here where the hair is rubbing on your neck along the nape area, which is the back of the wig. But that's normal. You can just, you know, take the shears and cut off knots if you get any knots back there. But yeah, that's pretty normal for a wig like this. Yeah, but other than that, she's pretty straightforward. I will link everything below, as I always do, in the description box. All right, loves. If you are not subscribed, please do make it official. If you are not subscribed, you can join the fam and make it official by pressing the subscribe button. It's free, don't cost you a thing to join the fam. I love y'all. I need to have y'all in my life because I love you. Your girl loves y'all. And be sure to tap the alert bell as well so that you will get alerts. You'll get notifications. You won't miss a beat, okay? You won't miss out on anything that we have going on over here, over this way. So I hope that y'all are having a beautiful weekend, a gorgeous day. It is a beautiful Sunday, nice and hot here in Vegas, of course. Oh yeah, I got more contacts. These ones are, I'm trying to think of the name of them with the A. That below as well, because I don't know, I drew a blank. I was saying what they were called earlier, but now I can't remember. But oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all how much she was priced at. So this curly girl is priced at $19.89. So you can get your curly girl on for less than $20. $20. It does not cost you very much, okay? $20 can get you a long way. So yeah, y'all, just a little 20 twin. But remember, prices are subject to change. I always include that in the description box. But if you guys order her and everything, please do tag me in your pics. I love to see what y'all got going on. Gotta see y'all slaying too, you know what I'm saying? But your girl loves you. I'm about to get on with the day. I'm gonna catch y'all next time. All right.